Hello guys, let's make a binary clock based on Arduino. Here is the thing what you need. Arduino Pro Mini, DS1302 RTC module, female micro USB jack, LEDs, registers, 0 PCBs, spacers. You will find the list in description. So let us see how to read the binary clock. First you can see 1, 2, 4, 8 is written in column. Now in our section you can see first column has only one LED turned on. So let us write 1. In second column all LEDs are turned off. So write 0. Here hour is 10. Then in minute section you can see first column has 2 LED turned on. So you have to add 1 plus 2 means 3. Then in second column you can see 3 LED is turned on. So you have to add 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. Minute is 37. Of course, same for seconds. So here is how you can read the binary clock. You just need to do some additions. So now let us make it. Here is the circuit diagram. First I solder LED and resistor to make a LED display. By using sandpaper I rub the LED surface. Then I connect the RTC module to Arduino according to diagram. Diagram and code you can find in description. Now I connect binary display to Arduino. Soldering fumes are danger to inhale. I would recommend to use exhaust fan. 12 volt DC fan is also you can use. After completing all the diagram, power it up. If you see nothing in display, then don't worry, you have to first set the time. We will see how to set the time in few moments. My whole connection is ready. I will use PCB as a back panel. But first I will check whether it works or not. I connect 5 volt to it. I short A1 to ground to set the time. Here you can see everything works fine. Now it's time to glue everything in back panel. First of all I will glue RTC module. Now let us glue the Arduino Pro Mini. We have to solder 2 push buttons in back panel to setting the time. You will find everything in description. To powering up this clock I will use micro USB cable. So I will solder the female socket of micro USB. Be careful, polarity should be correct. I will use 30mm spacer so there is no chance for short circuit. Now everything is done. Let's power it up. Working perfectly. According to diagram, you will find two push buttons. Push button is connected to A1 is for selecting the column. Then use second button to select the time, means you can select the values. Once you set the first column, then long press the A1 button for second one. So on you can set the time. So guys, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.